Hi, my name is Kelly DeFries. My company is Crystal Ninja, and I've been a professional bedazzler for 20 years. One of my girlfriends brought home a magazine one night and said, look at this cell phone. And I was like, I can do better. And so here we are. Before I had HeyGen, it was difficult to video my courses or my examples because I couldn't do it in the daytime. It had to always be super late at night because there wouldn't be customers in the store or workers in the warehouse. And late at night, the only thing I had to fight was my bulldog snoring. And people seem to love her, so now if I don't have her in a video, they're like, where's Ellie? Why is she not snoring? But before that, it was just a mess because I had to wait super late, and then my energy is drained because I've been working all day with all the things, and now it's 11 p.m., the house is quiet, and now I have to bring the energy, and it's very difficult. So before I had HeyGen, I never slept. When I began to create courses, it was very difficult because I had problems with figuring out where to put the camera angles and to get the detailed work that we really have to do and show. And now, it's such an easy thing to do courses, especially with HeyGen. I can put my little talking head at the bottom and not have to worry about filming my face and talking to the camera and having, oh, I said that wrong, let me go back and fix it. So it's been such a great thing to have all that, and now my courses, it's so easy. We just know exactly what we're gonna glue on, get the project together, lay it out, and then if I need to fix anything, I can do it in HeyGen. It's so amazing. After using HeyGen, I now am there's so much more time that I can utilize to learning other things, but normally a 1 hour course that I would have to build that would take a couple of days to edit, I can now do it in less time than it would normally take to even film it to begin with, because I knew I could just film what I need to do with my hands and with the item, and then put the HeyGen on top of that, and it's so fast, and it's just seamless. All I have to wait for is the processing time. That's it, and it's not much at all. The meaning it has for the business as a whole is that it leaves me more time to utilize more information for our courses. The magic moment for me was that I not only can watch myself creating and designing, I'm watching myself talk and do and not mess up and not have all the uhs, the ums, and then I forget the word and all the things. That's such magic to see your work is coming to life, and you don't have to, well, some of us don't have to put full makeup on every day. The hair is doing what, all the things, what camera, it's all the things put together. I don't have to do it anymore. It just is such a relief to just be in your house shoes or your whatever, and no one knows it because my makeup looked good that day. I made sure to make me a new HeyGen, and it works every time. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a huge value. Not only does it free up time for me to increase productivity on all our other departments, but it just helps our users to have someone to associate to understand that I am a real person, but maybe with my avatar, I'm not there with you the whole time. And it has made my life so much easier and less stress, helping me not have to be fully dressed and fully made up every time I go on video because I want that. I want that look for my brand. I don't want to be in hair in the rollers and all the things, like that's just not my brand. So it's helped me kind of have to not worry about those things. It's simplified so many things in my life, and to be able to share that with others, and they're still getting the education and the entertainment, but it's like I don't have to be there 100% of the time. My first impression of HeyGen was the user interface was clean, easy to find things. That's where my eye always goes to. There's always the helpful tips. There's even the community to go help to get questions answered. It's so easy to understand. Creating a digital twin is very easy. You speak for 2 minutes about any topic that you want, and it takes in all your gestures that you might do. Most of my members of my VIP don't know it's not real. They don't have a clue. Either they're not seeing it because it's too small, but I do some. I did a whole 25-minute lecture on licensing. No one knew it was fake. The whole thing was ChatGPT, the whole thing. And I put it in, and I think I separated it into like 4 or 5 different segments because it was too long to process. But a 25-minute whole lecture, no one knew it wasn't me. And it kept everything, and I love the way it keeps the wrinkles, it keeps what we look like. It doesn't look like an airbrushed piece. Like, I'm 52 years old, I don't want to be so perfect. And it kept all that. It means a lot. I respect all of this, the studio things. I have a guy that's in town that when I have the budget, he is the first one I call. He is the one I know everything will be perfect, but to know that I don't have to have the budget of the 5 and 10 grand because he's worth every penny, I have too many videos to make. I can't afford that. So this is what helps my program go. The advice I would give to anyone that's just starting with HeyGen is to do it. Just be free and to try all the features, and to start with the photo to video. Get a funny photo and say, hey mom, this is me, and then hit send. Like, it's the coolest thing. So just start playing with all the features a little bit each way, and then that way you can really say, oh, I have this bigger project, I want to go back and use that feature, or use all these features and put them together. And then I was just digging the other week, and you've added more, and I'm like, how am I going to use that one? I can't wait to learn about that one. It's freeing up so many different parts of my life and business that it's going to be better for personal life. So the husband is ready to travel, and I have to do that, so I won't have to be on the computer all the time.